In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can clear the cache memory from your Microsoft Edge browser application. I think it's somewhat important to clear the cache memory over time to ignore frequent lags and high usage of RAM while using the Microsoft Edge browser on your personal computer. Although cleaning the cache memory can occur a little bit of extra internet usage when you're gonna load any website next time, but it will surely increase the smoothness and performance of your overall browsing experience. Keeping that note in mind, let's clean the cache memory. First of all, open the Microsoft Edge browser. Then click on the three dots from the left top corner and click on Settings. Then head over to Privacy, Search and Services. Then scroll down to Clear Browsing Data and click on Choose what to clear. Then select only cached images and files and click on Clear Now. It's done! Now restart your Microsoft Edge browser and enjoy. And I appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.